Alright, I've got my Michael Schenker shirt on, so of course I'm going to show you a Michael Schenker rhythm here that's really cool to play. It's fun to play. It's basically, you're going to palm mute the top E string when you're going into the E chord, E power chord. I have been playing the E power chord now for a long time, and some feedback, so let me adjust that. With my fourth finger, my pinky finger, it just feels more natural, more comfortable. But either way, if you're used to the bar chord with your third finger, go for that. So I'm going to do the first section of this rhythm, and it goes like this. Well, I'll tell you the chords. It's E to D to A, and then there's this little hammer-on thing he does. And then it goes to A again, and then there's a pull-off on the E string, G, F, T. It's really fast, so this is how it goes at tempo. Second part goes like this, and I'll do it slow at first. It's A, what is that chord? A, B to C. Okay, A, B to C. To D. Repeats so that one part goes, okay, you get that part, and then there's another part that goes A to B. It's and that's just open E string. Really a signature Michael Schenker type riff with a melody. And you kind of palm mute that as you play it. Let's see, what else was there in that song? There's one part that goes like this. But that one part is on the E power chord, but I just play and I give it some vibrato, so you're going to chug the open E string, hit those two notes for the power chord of the E power chord, and just give it a vibrato. Not too much vibrato what I did there, is a bit overkill, but it's a really killer song when you put all these little pieces together and you figure out, it's like try to get another song out for you. Maybe the Rush song I've been working on, which is pretty cool. It's a fun song to work on. And anyway, take care, and hope you like this video. If you have any questions, let me know. I'll just, you know, message it on Messenger or whatever. All right, bye.